Virtual machines versus containers, explained in just 3 minutes. Virtual machines, or VMs, are a form of virtualization that happens at the hardware level. You start with a physical hardware, and on top of that, there's a host operating system, and then a hypervisor, which is a piece of software that creates and manages virtual machines. Each virtual machine runs its own guest operating system. It could be Windows, Linux, or any other OS. Inside the VM, you can install libraries, dependencies, and finally, your application. So each VM is like a full isolated computer that runs on top of another computer. Containers are a different type of virtualization. This time it happens at the software level. You still have the hardware, and on top of that, the host operating system with its kernel, typically something like a Linux kernel. Then comes the container engine, like Docker, which manages and isolates containers. Each container shares the host OS kernel, but contains everything the application needs to run, its code, libraries, and dependencies. This makes containers lightweight, portable, and much faster to start compared to VMs. In modern cloud environments, we often combine virtual machines and containers to get the best of both worlds. You start with the hardware and a Type 1 hypervisor. This runs directly on the physical machine and hosts several virtual machines. Inside the VM, there's an operating system, and on top of that, a container engine like Docker. That's where the containers run. This setup gives you the security and isolation of VMs, along with the speed and efficiency of containers. And it's exactly how things work in platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Now, why are containers usually preferred over running apps directly in virtual machines? Let's compare a few key areas. Startup time. Virtual machines can take minutes to boot because they need to load a full operating system. Containers, they start in milliseconds. That means faster deployment and easy scaling. Memory usage. VMs use a lot of memory since each one runs its own OS. Containers share the OS kernel, making them much more memory efficient. Storage. VMs can take up gigabytes of space. Containers are much smaller, sometimes just megabytes or kilobytes, so they're easier to move around. Portability. Moving a VM from one system to another can be tricky due to OS and configuration differences. Containers are portable by design. They run the same way everywhere. Efficiency at scale. You can run away more containers on a server than you could virtual machines. That's because containers are smaller, faster, and use fewer resources. Operating system and kernel. VMs each have their own OS and kernel, whereas containers share the host OS and kernel, which keeps things lean. So in conclusion, containers are ideal for lightweight, scalable app deployment, while virtual machines offer strong isolation and support for multiple operating systems. Most setups use VMs as the foundation and containers for efficient app delivery. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.